Hey guys, and welcome back. It's time for me to do another video on a turntable, and this is probably one of the more unique ones I've ever done. This is an NAD turntable, a 5120 stereo turntable. As you can see, it has kind of the NAD look, and as you can see right now, it has an odd arm. The arm is actually just kind of a flat arm, which is the first I've ever seen of this type. Also seems like the platter is suspended, so it is a little bouncy. I figured while I had the chance I'd do this. Right now there's an Ortofon cartridge on there for anybody that's interested in. And we'll just do the usual look around. As always, this is one of those little overview videos I do. It's not really that in-depth. I just like to kind of show off the stuff. On the back, we have a built-in RCA cable and a ground for the phono. Built-in power cable, nothing really crazy. I kind of like the look of this. That arm does not seem to stay secure. I don't know if I knocked it out of place or what. Yeah, look at that boy wobble. Another reason I want to do this video is I got two things to show off. I finally got this, which is an Audio-Technica tool that you can use to see if the cartridge is well aligned. And it looks like it is. Oh, that's interesting. I'll show that off once I actually get to it. But yeah, looks like it is. This will come in handy. Audio-Technica released this year, and right now I think they're about 20-something bucks. I might be wrong. Come in handy. I also finally got an album that I can play that won't get us any kind of copyright infringement or anything. Dan Mason's Void. He's a vaporwave artist that is friendly with streamers and YouTubers and such not. So you can play that without any worry about the audio getting muted or demonetized. So shout out to Dan Mason for doing that. Anyway, let me plug this in and then we'll just start it out and see how it goes. So we're all plugged in. I am not going to be using the metas in this video. Also shout out to the owner Joe of the store for letting me to do this outside of hours. Put the album down. And then I have this correct. The arm is in stop/lift. Once I put it down, it should engage /play. I don't know if it's auto engaging. It is on 33 speed. Oh, there it goes. Oh, hold on. Alright, so down, engage. Now the technician Dave that worked on this, who is a friend of the store, who isn't really an employee, he did say this was a bit of a difficult thing because he's never technically worked on an arm like this before, but he was able to get it going. We'll listen to how it sounds, and I will dig out the blue book and see if I can find this model in it. So I did find it. NAD 5120. According to this, it was made in 83 to 84. And it looks like it sold for $200 brand new. Thank you, Orion Blue Book from 2003. I'm going to turn up the volume a little bit and just kind of let this play through. Maybe do a few shots like usual.
Maybe if I had tried, you would have walked away. You would be by my side, and here to stay.
So while this is running, I did pull up Vinyl Engine, and according to Vinyl Engine, which for those that don't know, excuse me, is a website where a lot of people like to upload information on turntables and such not. According to Vinyl Engine, this one was actually released between 83 and 92. It is a semi-automatic belt-driven turntable. There are a whole bunch of specs if you're interested in looking at them, and then you can still get the data sheet and stuff off of any of these websites. So if you're interested in specs, you're more than welcome to do that. I will link NAD's official data sheet down below in the comment, or not the comments, in the description. And sorry for me choking up a little bit. After this track, I will probably skip to the last track. Show a few angles of the turntable, excuse me. NDD checks. So woohoo! The semi-automatic, I should say, part works. So guys, tell me what you think about this turntable. As always, this is a basic overview. I'm not going to go into anything technical really, just the basics parts of it and just showing off the turntable itself. Let me know what you guys thought about it. Let me know if you have any actual experience with this unit or any NAD models, because like I said, this is the first one I've ever experienced that was one, an NAD turntable, two, a turntable with that style of arm. But yeah, let me know in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll try to do a few more turntable videos as I get time, and let me know if you think I should do more. So stay safe, take care, and as of the recording this, it's almost Christmas and Hanukkah and New Year's and everything and Festivus. So I hope you guys have a happy holidays. Hopefully you'll see me again next year with some more videos, if not sooner. Bye for now. Take care.